So today we're doing a review on the Babyliss Pro Shaver Gold and the Skeleton Babyliss FX Trimmer. See if it's worth it or not. First of all, for first impression, the looks of them, some sexy as what I'm saying, honestly.
Oh, big man. What do you think it's better than me? You think you're better than me?
It's a close one.
I'm so sorry, Kevin.
It's okay. I'm gonna go to bed, but you guys think tomorrow we can start falling on the phone?
I do.
It's 11 each. See?
Before I use these clippers, I want to tell you guys that this is the best machine I've ever used in my whole life. When it comes to being a trimmer, it's disgusting. It just takes out the hair like it's like nothing. And this is not even, this is thick hair, but like I've had kids where they come in with like hair grown out for like 2 months, and you could just like knock it out like it's nothing. And the crazy thing about it is that when you're doing lineups, it's just as sharp. It doesn't lose anything. The lineups like they come out so crispy, so sharp. The corners, like everything. I usually used to go with my styliner too. Those are my go-tos, and damn, I can't go back ever again, to be honest, after these. So I'm actually throwing in the review on the shaver as well. I've had it for a couple months, so just know I love the shaver. It's a little dirty just because, you know, I'll be touching like other things, gels and stuff, but obviously the top's gonna be clean. It's great already. So I've been using this shaver for like two to 3 months now, maybe more. And let me tell you, at first it was kind of annoying, like just having to like grab it and the weight, and then it just felt a little heavier than I usually go with the Andes Pro Foil or the 5-star shaver. And you know, I thought I'd never switch from those because those were pretty much hitters, especially when they're brand new out the box. So these were a little trouble to get used to at first when it came to the just the grip. For the most part, it's a little heavy, it's a little slippery. I mean, I wear gloves all the time, so it helps a little bit. And the thing about these, the power switch is on this side. So we're so used to turning it off and on this side, off on, that it was a little hard to get used to that. It took me like a couple days, but I would have to like hold it with 2 hands and turn it off. But for the most part, we got it down now. Oh, here, let me show you some of the work that it does. Like I said, I've had it for 3 months, so the blade's already not as sharp. Check it out. You guys can see that? Wow. Check it out. So I already did the whole haircut, so I'm not really gonna go over the whole haircut and the whole process, but I'm basically gonna line this up and line this fur up.
I'm a hit, I think give it to the crew, this be the shit. We like in the club, they so run the shit. Do legit, can't switch, can't bitch. I'm a hit, I think give it to the crew, this be the shit. We like in the club, they so run the shit. It's not shit too easy, I go cheesy, you bitch in my bones, I get cheap, try to please me, these niggas don't like me, but they bitches do.
So basically, you see how sharp it is. I barely have to tap anything, and it just lines it up like so clean. So I highly recommend this machine for sure. And that's the review on this machine. Highly recommend it. Hitter, sharp. You ain't gotta hit it with a blade. Look how sharp it is. Damn, I'm about to kill myself right now, you know? Oh yeah, don't forget. It wouldn't be possible without the shaver. Babyliss did a great job on both of them. and I highly recommend it. It's a great investment, and your tools are everything. You gotta invest in your tools, guys, or borrow them, like like some other people do. Alright.